I just had my 10X Mentorship with Uncle G. Grant Cardone. I'm Maria, and here are my 8 lessons learned on today's topic, Build the Book of Business Up. Lesson 1, Case. I am going through a business split. I'm starting from ground zero. What is your advice? Lesson 2, Answer. I would start calling on people. I would not start with social media. Social media would not be the first thing. I would be calling on people. I'd be asking for money right now. Lesson 3, Jarrod adds, and the reason he says that is because when we talked about the workshop, marketing is about planting trees. When you plant a tree, it is a baby tree, and it has to be watered to grow. And in sales, it is the way to bypass marketing. Marketing provides scale, and that's why you do need them both. But you could go out today and get a deal using the phone quicker than you get a deal posting videos on Facebook or Instagram. Number 4, move to the money the fastest. Lesson 5. Jarrod adds the first 3 or 4 years that they were selling Cardone University online, they were all sales, very hardcore sales, because they were trying to build the book of business up. Lesson 6. They didn't know anything else other than let's go get money today. And then they started figuring out the marketing game once they had some money. Lesson 7. They have money to spend once Uncle G started marketing. A lot of us don't have money right now. So we have to go full-on barbarian, picking up the phone, knocking on the door to get in front of somebody, and that's going to cut your sales cycle down. Lesson 8. Because creating interest is a longer process. It doesn't mean you don't do it. You just got to have things in the right orders of magnitude, the right order of priority. So those are my lessons learned. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also download a free section of my book, Apartment Prescription from 0 to 50 Apartment Units in 7 Years. If I have done it, I know you can do much more. Take care and God bless.